Good morning children. How are you all? Hope all are doing your revision well. Okay, so did you complete your comprehensions? Did you understand comprehension? I hope you have understood it. What is comprehension? Reading the paragraph and writing the answers from there. And we have completed the revision of lesson 4 and lesson 5. So let's do the revision of lesson 6 today. What is lesson 6? What is lesson 6? The lost trees. I hope you remember the poem in which you learned that we should not cut trees and we should save trees. So all of you are familiar what type of questions you will get in the exam. You will get MCQ type of questions. So let me ask you few questions from the lesson 6. So in this lesson 6, first thing, what type of questions will come? The poet went to meet his dash. The poet went to meet his dash. Father, mother, uncle, aunt, sister. Whom did he go to meet? He went to meet his sister. His sister lived dash the street. Where did her sister live? Up the street, down the street, under the street or above the street? Her sister lived down the street. This is the way you have to choose the correct answer and take the correct answer. Then, now the poet could see only dash surrounded by some concrete. What could the poet see? Only taps, lamps, trees, sand, what? Now the poet was able to see only the lamps around the trees. Then next, the trees were cut of dash heights. Same heights or varied heights? They were cut of varied heights. Varied is different heights. The poet tells us not to dash the trees. The poet tells us not to cut the trees or plant the trees. Not to cut the trees. The poet says that we should not cut the trees. The poet went, in the match, the poet went down the street. His sister lived out of the city. Earlier the street had many trees. Now only lamps were there, surrounded by concrete can be seen. Then the poet was shocked to see trees cut off varied heights. The poet was shocked to see the trees cut off varied heights. The poet tells the people not to cut the trees if they want the world to look nice. What does the poet say? You should not cut the trees if you want the world to look nice. These are the match the following. Go through it, and two meanings are there. One is concrete and one is alite. What is the meaning of concrete? It is a building material made from sand, cement, etc. And what is alite? Alite means burning. Then here few words are given. You have to change the first letter of the word and make new words. One has been done for you. L-O-S-T, lost. What is made? C-O-S-T, cost, and H-O-S-T, host. Then again long. Think of two words. L-O-N-G, long. S-O-N-G, song, and T-O-N-G, tong. I told you what is the meaning of tong. Tong is chimta. What mummy used while making chapatis. That is called tong. Then full, you can make many words. Pull, bull, anything you can make. See, be, fee. These were the words. Then cut, but, hut, put, anything. Elite, slight, and plight. So these were the words you made. So learn the spellings and make the new words. Then what is the meaning of this? A person whom you like to be with. Whom do you like to be with always? Your friend. A person whom you like to be with is your friend. Then they give you light at night. What is lamps? They give you light at night, lamps. To separate something. What is to separate something? It is It is varied. It is varied. Then it is cut. To separate something is cut. Cutting something, separating it. Then to meet, meet is visit. Meet is visit. Different is varied. Different is varied. And a road is called a street. Road is called a street. So go through all these things, go through the poem and question answers nicely and revise the whole poem very nicely so that you will do well for the exams. So children, please study hard and do the exams well. We will do the lesson 6. Lesson 7 is left. We will do it tomorrow. Till then, take care, revise and God bless you all.